Hello, I'm Abby and I'm a tie-dye artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic tie-dye swirl design. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need one blank hoodie, latex gloves, Fab Lab pastel tie-dye kit, elastic bands, a wire rack, a sink or washing up bowl, cling film or plastic bag, washing machine. Dampen your blank item in water and wring it out so it's just damp but not dripping wet. Placing your item face down on a flat surface, pinch a piece of fabric in the centre of your design with finger and thumb. Holding your fingers tightly in place, twist your design in a circular motion so the fabric begins to gather together. Keep doing this until all the fabric is gathered into a neat round and secure your shape with elastic bands. Put on your gloves. Place your piece on a wire rack over a sink or washing up bowl and make sure you're wearing your gloves before you begin. Add your dye colour to each section in turn, keeping within the lines of your bands. I'm using all 4 colours in the kit for this project, but you can use as many as you like. Turn your project over and fill in your segments in the same colours as the front. Keep covering until there is no more white space. Cover your project in cling film or place in a plastic bag and put in a warm place overnight. Remove your project from the plastic and rinse under cold running water, removing the bands as you go. When the water runs clear, rinse your project in the washing machine and dry away from direct heat. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.